It's a little windy today out here, but I got a question from one of my viewers about accidentally getting water in the mouth and using water during a dry fast, a soft dry fast. Baths are better because in a bath it's kind of hard to keep your mouth open when you're underwater. Showers are a little more difficult because the water drains off your face and so forth, and you want to stop the water going down the alimentary tract, the esophagus. You need to keep it out of your mouth or spit it out if you need to brush your teeth. It does get uncomfortable towards the end of a dry fast, and I just put a little water in my mouth, brush my mouth out, and spit it out. Make sure you spit it all out, and that's really the trick. You try to not take water in, because there's a couple of things about water that people don't really recognize. There's a lot of frequencies that water will absorb. Water chains up, it resonates with frequencies from the stuff in the water treatment plants, the chemicals in the environment. That's why it's external water. It's not the same as the pure endogenous water your cells make, which is pure H2O, brand new made H2O in the mitochondria. And it's one of the important things about dry fasting is you stop taking external water into the body. If you've ever seen the videos online about these guys that have put frequencies and anger and stuff, and the way snowflakes form after being exposed to specific frequencies, you'll see that water does do this. So the idea here is during a dry fast, you just don't drink any water. You don't take any water in your mouth, don't drink any water down your throat, and limit enemas. Really, you can do one if you need to, but limit it, because that's the other end of that esophagus tract. So my suggestion is take baths, because it's harder to swallow water. You can brush your teeth, spit it out, and you'll be fine. Really, you'll be fine. That's the soft dry fast.